Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Joy Abzor. Today we are designing this flyer, coronavirus campaign flyer, using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing for more of these tutorials. Also like and share to your family and friends. So open our PowerPoint. After opening the PowerPoint, you choose the blank presentation. That's what we'll use to design it first, and maybe later and within the video we'll change the theme. So when you open, the measures I'm going to use are all here. I didn't create them myself. They are what Google has also taken from the website. So you have them here: coronavirus disease, symptoms, prevention and treatment. So those are what I'll be using for this video. So when you open, you insert a smart chart and go down here. I'll use this one. So go to the website and copy them. So I'll copy the symptoms first. Then I insert it in the middle. So the symptoms are cough, tiredness, difficulty in breathing. That's in severe cases. All these symptoms are of coronavirus, but they don't, if you have them, don't necessarily mean that you have coronavirus. So don't be afraid to go and check if you have these symptoms. What it's simply telling us is that when you have these symptoms, try as much as possible to go to the nearest hospital to be checked whether you have it or not. And if you have it, it's nothing that you should be much afraid of. You should call the ambulance and they will quarantine you and go through the necessary treatment so that we can help stop the spread of the virus. And what we can also do to also help prevent are wash your hands often. Don't touch your face if you have not yet washed your hands, or use hand sanitizer. And washing your hands is washing your hands with soap and water. And stay at home to help prevent it. Here we have the symptoms, and if we have it, these are some of the tips that we're given to help treat it. So go to the website and get them and copy them. Simply change. So test and sleep. If there's a suspected case, test and sleep. Keep warm. Use a room humidifier or take a hot shower to ease the sore throat and cough. My spelling here is wrong. So to get the spelling corrected, you can just right click on the word that was wrong, and the suggested words will be given. And I'd like to add this one to the last point: call an ambulance. is very important. When you have these symptoms, don't go to the hospital yourself. Call an ambulance to come and take you there. And to call an ambulance, if you're in Ghana, it's 112 or 192. So after this, we'll now insert your picture. So if you want to insert the picture, there are two ways. You can go to insert picture, or you simply go to where the picture is and drag and drop. I'll use the second method. So I'll drag the picture and drop it into our work. So when I drag and drop, I'll crop it to shape. You can crop it to any shape, but I'll be using rounded rectangle. So I'll resize it and hit on the crop. Then position it well here. And I'll insert a rectangle, rounded rectangle. So insert rounded rectangle, and I'll draw it down here. So that is what will contain my campaign message. So I'll just reduce the general font size to 16, and I'll change. Look, I'll leave the font that way. I won't change the font type. So I'll increase it more, bolden it, and this one's too. I'll increase it and also bolden it as well to 19 rather. Right, this is okay. So after I'm done with this, let me change the color of this to make it visible, more visible. So red. You can use any color that you want. I'll now come and change the theme. So to change the theme, you go to design. There are a lot of themes you can use, but I'll be using this one. It's called Slate. It's down here. This in version 2013 version. If your version is not available, you can use any theme. Even the theme we were using at first is also good. And I'll change the variant to green. There are other variants too that you can use, but I'll use the green. And that is it for the flyer. That's all with the design. You can reposition this however you want it. Increase this. So that's it for the design. So when you are done to save it, what you can simply do is to go to File, Save As, and open the location. So I'll name it corona prevention. You can give whatever name you want. And I come to again to now save it as a picture. Save as, and you click on this and save it as a JPEG. That's .jpg. And click OK. So it's just one slide, so I'll just save it as one slide, and that was it for it. So to do it for many more people, what you can simply do is maybe you can duplicate the slide, and so when I duplicate it, I'll just come down here and change the picture. Go for a picture that I can insert there. So let me use this picture. So you just zoom in and crop it to shape. And I'll change the name. So here, my name is Links. Brown. I'm using his nickname here. You can use an official name, but make sure the name advisable should be the name that most people know you by to help in the campaign. So that is it. I can do as many as I can for many people. You can also do likewise. So now go to File, Save As, and in this place there are more than 2 pictures. So when I go to the JPEG, there are 2 pictures. So let me change the name because since the first file is there, so prevention G. So all slide, there are 2 of them. So now go to your folder, you have them there. My name is Joy. Join Let's Fight, and that is it. His own is also here. So let's stay safe, stay at home, and adhere to the preventive measures that are being given, and let's end this coronavirus. So if you like this video, kindly help me by subscribing if you have not done so, and also like it and share it to your family and friends out there. And don't forget that staying safe is for our own good. Thank you.